bring the intro. This is the AirPods, or the fake AirPods. Selamat pagi! Good morning guys, Kenneth here. Never have I been as excited as this before, especially on a fake product, you know. This is the LK-TE9, the fake AirPods. So as you can see the packaging here, and this is the upgraded version of the LK-TE9. So you can see here that it actually is LK-LE9. I'll just read it out to you. So it has a wireless charging. It supposedly have wireless charging and touch to open series. So we're gonna test all of that later. And for now, we're just gonna take a look at the box. So around it, there's nothing really. It's just a model number, not even a brand name. And on the back, it looks really like AirPods. And let's open this thing. So I'm gonna put it there. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is the fake AirPods. I'm gonna take it out right now. And so right off the bat, we can see that the button is on the front instead of on the back like the AirPods. LED indicator is right there. Unfortunately, this is micro USB for the charging port. I can see this being a problem, especially it's not reversible, right? And on the back here, the hinge is right there. I think it is plastic. And now let's try the one thing that is very special, which is the W1 pairing on a fake AirPod. So there you go, that's the pop-up. It shows up when you open up the case, in which this is the upgraded version. If you buy the normal version, this battery indicator and the pop-up will only occur when you take out the AirPods, and the battery itself is actually a fixed amount. So that's not true, but now here in the upgraded version, it shows the real battery level. At least that's what the store says. So I'm gonna read some of the specifications first. This is a quite lengthy manual book, which I'll read on later. So it uses Bluetooth 5.0, but it's written on the website that I bought it. It uses class 2 Bluetooth, so it will not be as strong as the AirPods because it is class 1 Bluetooth, and it has a battery life of 2.5 hours only compared to 5 hours of listening time on the AirPods, and it charges within 1 hour, or with wireless charging 1.5 hours. Okay, so let's try and charge this right now. I have a micro USB cable right here. Plug it in, and when it's charging, it shows blinking red. Let me get a wireless charger and see if it works. Okay, so I have my dusty old Samsung wireless charger, which still works, by the way. So I'm gonna just put it on there and see if it works. Seems like the wireless charger doesn't detect anything. Really not a good start. Let me try and move it around the charger. This doesn't work. Let me see if this works with my phone. Yeah, it works. So wireless charging officially failed. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this out with me, use it for a while, really experience it, and tell you my honest opinions about this thing. So let's go. Okay, so guys, I've been using this for a while. Before I start with my experiences, I want to say that this is my first time talking in front of a camera, so I'm sorry if my eyes are looking at everywhere. I apologize beforehand for any errors that I will make. Okay, so moving on to the video itself. So yeah, I'm definitely returning this. And why is that? Let's talk about sound quality first. This thing sounds like hot trash. It sounds like garbage. It sounds worse than earpods. It sounds worse than anything else you've ever heard. What's so special about this is just the W1 pop-up, right? So it feels interesting and new because a fake AirPod can do that, and especially with this model, when you open the case, it's like the real AirPods. You don't have to take it out, you just open the case and the pop-up came. But then you start listening to music and one music is all you need. to know that this thing sounds like trash. So when it sounded like that, I went ahead to the equalizer settings and changed it to treble reducer. So the treble is so high, it pierces your ear, it hurts you. And then with treble reducer, it actually sounds better in the room like this with relatively low noise. But once you get outside, I've tried this outside as well, and then all these EQs, I've been through all that. It sounds so bad. The bass is not there anymore. It's just like, how do you call it? People speaking, you know, except it is music. There's no bass, no instruments are all gone. So this is not a really good like sign, right? And I've been trying to do this like EQ on and EQ off comparison between me and my friends, and they all pretty much react like this. So I'm gonna play a music right here. This is with treble reducer, and I'm gonna go with off right here. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it hurts you. Here, I'm gonna put it right into the mic and you can hear what it sounds like with EQ off. Not very good for your ear. Okay, so that's sound quality. That's a deal breaker for me. I don't recommend this to anyone just for that. But let's talk about the other things, right? When you open this thing, and it should pop up anytime now. Okay, now it's popped up. So W1 pairing has two interfaces, right? First is the introduction of the AirPods, which on you press connect, and this battery level will come up. You might not be able to see it here, but anyway, yeah, I'm just detailing this to you. So yeah, the thing about this is every time you open this thing, the connect thing will reappear every time. So you have to press on connect every time it says connecting, and then you'll get your battery level. It's just distracting when you open your case every time that pops up. Always intrudes with you every time you open this case while you're, you know, using your phone. You can know your battery level on the top right there. It's not intrusive up right there. So that's W1 pop-up. It's cool for a fake product, but useless because it's not implemented as it's meant to be. Okay, so I'm editing the video right now, but I realized I forgot to mention that the connect button on the AirPods there, it's not connect to iCloud, but only connect. So that means it's not tied to your iCloud account, so you cannot access it from your iPad, from your Mac, which is the main feature of AirPods basically. So that's one thing that I want to add. And let's get back to the video. And then the next one is the LED lights. If you can see here, or if you can see in my shots before I've taken, these LED lights are so bad. It shines through the case itself, so it's not only on that special small hole, but then it goes like everywhere. And it's also the LED lights are on the earbuds itself, and it's so bad. Like it shines red and blue on the earbuds itself, and yeah, that doesn't look good. And then the next thing, it's one of the other deal breaker for me, is the touch sensitivity. So the real AirPods, they don't respond to touches, so it's fine if you like touch all over the earbuds like this. They have this accelerometer that detects shakes of the AirPods itself, so that they know when you're double tapping it, right? But here, it's touch sensitive on this kind of shoulder here. I don't know the exact placement of it, but then if you're just trying to put this onto your ear and then you accidentally touch it, which you will, by the way, you just triggered something. You just play the music, you just pause the music accidentally, and then if you tap twice, you probably make the volume up or skip to the next song. With the triple tap, on paper it looks cool. Okay, double tap is volume up, double tap on the left is volume down, triple tap on the right is next song, right? But actually, when you're using the right earbud here, you're triple tapping on it, it's going to the previous song. So that's kind of weird. This is previous song, and triple tap on this one goes to the next song. The touch sensitivity is so bad, I really hate it right away. And by the way, talking about the features of the earbuds themselves, they actually have optical sensor right here, but not on here. I don't know why. So the thing about optical sensors is they recognize when you put your earbuds into your ear canal. So it will understand that it's inside there, you're wearing it, and then the music plays, right? But then this thing is so unreliable, it's so unpredictable that actually it feels more like a fault, more like a bug rather than a feature. So if you put it into your ear, both of them, and the music plays, it feels like, wait, why the music plays? I'm supposed to touch on the button to play the music, right? So that's what you will feel. You just want this to work like a normal earbuds. At least I do. I do want this to work like a normal earbuds. I put it on my ear, I press on play, music starts playing. But then suddenly the music starts playing and then I pressed on it and then the music stops again. That does not feel good. Okay, so now moving on to the call quality and the microphone. So we can see that where is the microphone here? It's not like the AirPods. Down here is just contact pins for charging mechanism. Microphone is somewhere inside there, and we don't know if they even use both microphones to catch your speech. And don't even mention Siri. It takes a long time to invoke Siri and to let it start detect your voice. Let's do a call test here. I'm gonna call my iPad, which I will point to my microphone. Yeah, there you go. So got a call and gonna receive it like that. Okay, so the call is received. This is what it sounds like. Call hang up. There you go. See, the touch is too sensitive that I just want to put both into my ear and then the call hung up. Okay, so I'm gonna call again. So call is there. So this is what it sounds like. Let's see where the sound comes from, if they even use both of them for a call. This is the mic. Oh, yeah, we can see that the mic is right here on top of the shoulder here. There, not down here, not here. And then we'll try the left side. There you go, blah, 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 blah. Nope. So this is useless for phone calls. So that's the call quality. And moving on to my very last point, the battery charging case. So you notice that there is a button on top here, right? And shoot. Okay, so you notice that there is an LED light here and there's a button here, and when you put the earbuds in, you expect them to charge, right? And then the next time you open it up, you take the earbuds, it will be fully charged, and then just the battery of the case will be drained. But then if you decide to not charge the earbuds, you can press this button and then the LED light will turn off and you will stop charging the earbuds itself. It's actually automatic, so each time you open this up and really like close it just like that, it will start recharging again. But yeah, it's kind of weird that they include this button for not pairing but turning on and off the battery charging feature of the case itself, which is supposed to be automatic now. So yeah, that's pretty much all my point that I have to say with this fake AirPods LK-TE9. It's built pretty well, you know. There's no give on the lid itself, as everything Apple Pro said. Anyway, this video was inspired by him. Yeah, like the shape, the sizes of the earbuds itself and the charging case itself is very, very, very close to the original AirPods. It's, if you slap in a rubber case in it, no one will notice that this is a fake AirPods. It's just you that, you know, suffering because of the sound. To any one of you considering this, please reconsider, because there are many more Bluetooth earbuds out there that sound way much better than this and has probably better battery life than this and cost way cheaper than this. So yeah, not recommended, but interesting fake indeed. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my video. Thank you very much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. Please subscribe, that helps a lot. Comment down below for any questions or any product that you want me to take a look at, and I'll see you in the next one. Disconnected, pairing, power off. I don't know what the hell that means.